Security guard gunned down in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives attached to the St. Catherine North Police Division are probing the shooting death of a 40-year-old man who goes by the name Mv3rdered, otherwise called Juba, a security guard of Big Lane District, St. Catherine, who was shot and killed by armed men on Saturday, February the 12th. Reports from the police are that shortly after 10 p.m., residents in the community summoned the police after hearing loud explosion coming from a section of the community. On the arrival of the police, Darby was seen lying in a pool of blood with multiple gunshot wounds. He was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The St. Catherine North Police have not yet ascertained a motive for this latest shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.